Welcome to IB360. In this video, we will discuss the solution of IVHL November paper 2020. So the first question is from probability, that is a discrete random variable x has the probability distribution given by the following table. So this is the distribution table. So from here we can conclude that this, if we add all these fours, we will get equals to 1. So like this, probability is equals to 1, that is p plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus q equals to 1. So this is my number 1 equation. And for number 2 equation, we can take the expectation, that is e of x equals to 19 by 12. We will use this to find the expectation. We can use 0 into p plus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3q is equals to e of x. So we can write 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 3q is equals to 19 by 12. So from here you can get, that is 12, and here 3 plus 4 plus 3q equals to 19 by 12. From here we are getting 7 by 12 plus 3q equals to 19 by 12. So we will get 3q is equals to 19 by 12 minus 7 by 12, that is equals to 12 by 12 equals to 1. So q equals to 1 by 3. This we will get, that is q equals to 1 by 3. So we have got the value of q. Now we will find out the value of p from this equation, that is p plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus the value of q is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equals to 1. So p, and here you can see the total LCM will be 12. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 1. So we are getting p plus 9 by 12 equals to 1. So here I am doing the rest part. So p plus 3 by 4 equals to 1. So p equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. So p equals to 1 by 4. So we have all the values. P equals to 1 by 4 and q equals to 1 by 3. So p, this is equals to 1 by 4, and q, this is equals to 1 by 3. So the first question is done. It was a very easy question if you know the normal distribution, and you have the expectation, you know the expectation and the normal distribution, then you have the following result. Okay, so next move towards the second question, that is find the equation to the tangent of the tangent to the curve y equals to e to the power minus e to the power 2x minus 3x at the point where x equals to 0. In a previous video we have done this type of problem where we have found out the gradient, and from there we have started to get the solution. So equation of the tangent I have to find out. It will be one straight line. So the normal equation will be y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient, that is basically nothing but y dash, or you can say ddx of y. By using this we can find out the gradient. So first we will find out the gradient. So y equals to e to the power 2x minus 3x. So y dash equals to ddx of y equals to ddx of e to the power 2x minus 3x. So from here we are getting 2 e to the power 3x minus 3, that is y dash. Now at x equals to 0 we need to find out the gradient. So y dash at x equals to 0 will be 2 e to the power 3 into 0 minus 3, that is 2 minus 3 equals to 1. 2 equals to 3, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Sorry, so that is minus 1. So m is basically minus 1. The gradient is minus 1. Gradient is equals to minus 1. From here we have got that gradient. So now the equation becomes y equals to minus x plus c. Now we have to find out the value of c. So at x equals to 0, we will find out the value of y. So y equals to e to the power 2x minus 3x. So at x equals to 0, y value will be e to the power 2 into 0 minus 0. So y is equals to 1. At x equals to 0, y equals to 1. You can see here e to the power 0. This is basically e to the power 0. So equals to 1. So from here we are getting y equals to 1 at x equals to 0, at x equals to 0. So we will put this equation in this particular line. So from here we will get, that is 1 equals to minus of 0 plus c. So c equals to 1. If this is equation number 1, then we have put the values in equation number 1. Putting values in equation 1. So we have c equals to 1. Now we have to write this equation in a simpler form, that is y equals to minus x. The value of c is 1 plus 1. This is the equation of the tangent line at x equals to 0, or we can simplify this to be x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is the equation of the tangent line. So this we can call the equation of the tangent line. The equation of the tangent at x equals to 0. So this was the sum. It was also a very easy sum. Just you have to remember the part, that is for for straight line, the normal equation is y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient. Now how we will find out the gradient? You just have to differentiate with respect to the independent variable. Here the independent variable is x, you have to keep in mind. So I have taken the derivative with respect to x, and I have found out the normal equation. After that, at x equals to 0, we have found out the value of m. In this way you can solve this problem. It was also a very easy problem. Now let's move towards the third problem, that is this is also from the probability chapter. This is also from probability chapter, and let us solve this problem. So 3 types of omelets are available to order: chicken, vegetarian and stick. Each omelette is served with either a portion of fries or hash browns. It is known that 20% of customers choose a chicken omelette, 70% choose a vegetarian omelette, and 10% choose a stick omelette. It is also known that 65% of those ordering the chicken omelette, 70% of those ordering the vegetarian omelette, and 60% of those ordering the stick omelette order fries. The following tree diagram represents the orders made by each customer. So first question is, complete the tree diagram by adding the respective probabilities to each branch. It is very simple question. So from here you can get that the 20% of customers choose chicken omelette. So here will be 20%. So 20% of the customers choose chicken omelettes. Now 70% of those choose vegetarian omelette. So here will be 70%, and 10% choose a stick omelette. So 10% will choose the stick omelette. Now orders fries, this percentage, that is fries, this for this branch the percentages are: for chicken that is 65%, 65%; for vegetarian omelette that is 70%, and for stick omelette that is 60%. So first, if we simplify this part, we can get the orders, the person, those who have ordered chicken omelette, of them 65% orders fries chicken omelette, and rest orders hash brown chicken omelette. Okay, so this is 65%, so obviously from 100% we will have to deduct. So this value will be 35%, this value will be 30%, and this value will be your 40%. Okay, so in this way the complete tree diagram is there. So if we simplify again, if we want to think about this part in elaborate way, then we can think, if there are 100 people, so of them 70 will order vegetarian omelette, and of them, that is for of 70 people, of those 70 people, 70% will order the fried vegetarian omelette, and rest 30% will order the hash brown vegetarian omelette. I think you have cleared all the concept from this tree, because this will help us to do the rest problems. Okay, so now we will move towards the second problem. That is, we have done with the first problem. This we have done. This tree we have basically constructed in the previous question. Now find the probability that a randomly selected customers orders fries. Find the probability that a randomly selected customers orders fries. That means the customer that will those will order the fries, that is this portion only, this branch only. Okay, so to go to this branch we have to move by this way, 20% and then 60%. Remember my word, that is 20% and then 60%, 65%, or 70% and then 70%, then 10% and then 60%. Okay, so and means here multiplication operator. So find the probability that a randomly selected customers orders fries. So first of all, one customer is there, and that customer can order fries. So that customer can order chicken omelette also, vegetarian omelette also, as well as stick omelette also. So you will take all these three in consideration. So the probability will be you can get it from here, that is 20 0.20, that is if there is 20%, it is basically nothing but 0.20. okay, so 0.20 into 0.65 into 0.65, then plus for vegetarian portions, that is 0.70 into 0.70, plus for stick portion, that is 0.10 into 0.60, that is 0.20, that is 20% people order chicken omelette, and of them 65% order fries, the fried chicken omelette. So 0.20 into 0.65, here 0.70 into 0.70, and 0.10 into 0.60. Considering the branch, considering this branch, I have got this result. So from here you can get, that is, this is 0.13 plus if you calculate this, this will be your 0.49, and this will be 0.06. so the probability is 0.68. If you add all these three numbers, that this will be 0.68. so the probability, find the probability that a randomly selected customer orders fries. This probability will be, so the probability is 0.68. so this is the answer. The probability is 0.68. okay, now we will move towards the third question. Okay, so here some calculation will be there, and some thing that you need to consider, that is find the probability that a randomly selected customers order fries given that they do not order a chicken omelette. Okay, so here we will use the theorem of a probability, that is P of A given B is equals to P of A intersection B divided by P of B, probability of B. So here A will be the answer that we need to find out, that is find the probability that a randomly selected customer orders fries. So A given B will, A will be orders fries, A will be orders fries, and B is, that is they do not, here not, you have to see the bold option, that is not order chicken omelette, so not chicken, B is not chicken. You have to keep in mind, do not give here just chicken, so this will be not chicken. Okay, so now if we find out the probability, that is P of A given B is equals to, this will be P of A intersection B. Now try to understand this portion, that is P of A intersection B. It means those probability to we have to find out those probability where the person orders fries but not from chicken, orders fries but not from chicken. So this branch will be omitted, this branch will be omitted. Okay, so this branch will be omitted, and we have left with these two branches only. So for these two branches, the selected the person that can order fry, if we want to select one person from there, so there will be vegetarian 70% and of them 70% orders fries, or 10% and of them 60% will order fries. So it is very easy. So above will be 0.70 into 0.70 plus 0.10 and 0.60. 0.10 into 0.60. This is the first portion. And of B, that is not chicken. So not chicken means this complete branch will be omitted. So for not chicken, only these two branches we will consider. So not chicken means where there is not any condition of fries and hash browns, so not any condition. So you will take only the premium values, that is 70% and 10%. That is the people, number of people those have chosen vegetarian omelette as well as stick omelette also. So here will be 0.70 plus 0.10. I think you have understood why this is there, like not chicken. B is the probability for those people who have not chosen chicken, any chicken dish. So only vegetarian stick is there, so that's why 0.70 plus 0.10. And above, those have not chosen chicken, as well as they have chosen fries. So that's why 70 and 70, those will give me fries, and 10 and 60, those will give me fries. That's why multiplication is there, then also OR operator, and here only OR operator. So from here we can get 0.49 plus 0.06 divided by 0.80. So from here we are getting, that is 0.55 divided by 0.80. So basically 55 divided by 80. So it is 11 by 16. So 5, I am dividing it with 5. So 5 and 16. So this is the answer. The probability is 11 by 16. So for number C, the answer will be, the probability is 11 by 16. So in this way, the third question is also done. I think till now all you have understood, and thank you for watching IV360. In next videos, the next problems will be discussed. Thank you.